Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm about to share with you something. You guys know that last Saturday my channel was demonetized and I was not able to earn any money from my YouTube channel, but today they have sent a message that I should reapply it again. Actually there are requirements and the requirements are somehow hard because I don't know which video I have put there that violate this the policy. So what I have right here, I have this message right here, which is the message, this message was sent 30 days ago. So it said your channel is no longer eligible to monetize, and this was because I have reused content on my YouTube channel. And they say reuse content channel, use someone else's content without making a change that adds significant value. If I have used somebody a video on my channel without changing anything, that is bad. So I realized that I had some videos there and I deleted them already. So option number one, appeal by sending a video, and this was the ending that was October 17, 2022, and I refused to send them an appeal message because I know that I have done wrong, and that's why I did not send. So I bypassed this one, and then I waited for 30 days, and today is October 26, 2022, which means that I have to apply it again and I request the YouTube team to review my channel again, because I have deleted all the video, and also this month I had worked very hard to make sure that I fulfill all the requirements. And you guys know already I have 11,636, okay, and also I have 39,227 public watch hours, and also I have two-step verification active, and again I have a zero active community guideline strike. So it means that I'm eligible for monetization. But the problem is this was not the case. The case was not about the public watch hour or whatever, or subscribers, or two-step verification, or zero active or active community strike on my YouTube channel. It was all about the reuse content, and I tried to delete all the video, and this is what I was doing all this Saturday. And also I was putting content which are very different, which are very unique from what I was doing from day one on my YouTube channel. And you guys already know that what I do in this YouTube, I upload music videos, audios, and everything, community, just name it, a lot of things. Mostly some of the things that I put here, they are educational resources that can help anyone. So today I want to reapply it because I do not have any problem. That I thought, because I have checked my YouTube channel, and that's it. So I'm gonna apply. Thank you guys for watching. I will apply, and I will tell you guys after 3 days what will happen. Thank you for watching, guys.